everyone, and welcome to the channel. So today I am talking about something very special, these Dior butterfly sunglasses. So I recently got these and I fell in love with them and I just had to go for the purchase. So I wanted to share this with you today. So when I got these sunglasses, they came in this really nice box that you can store them in. You can save the box to preserve everything beautifully. So you open up the box and the case is inside. The case is like a black kind of leather case that says Christian Dior. Also inside the case came with a Dior cloth to clean the sunglasses with, as well as a pamphlet that I believe explains some sort of warranty information and details on the sunglasses itself. So when you open them up, there is kind of Dior imprinted on the inside of that. And then out come the beautiful sunglasses. So this one kind of has the half tortoise on the bottom, the brown on the top. This is the butterfly style that they sell. You'll see a CD imprinted at the very top here. There's a lot of little details like that around the glasses itself. The Christian Dior Paris on each side of the glasses. And then Christian Dior again on the inside of the glasses here. And then this is a signature style, so it says Dior Signature B4. So that is the butterfly line that they have a lot of different styles in, but this specific one is kind of the two-tone with the tortoise and brown. And then it has like this nice gold detailing with like two bullets on each side. So I'm going to just try them on for you. They're very high fashion. They're very comfortable, but I still feel like they're kind of everyday. They stand out enough where you can tell it's a really nice quality, beautiful sunglasses, but they're not like over the top in respects to some crazy style. So I think they're going to fit a lot of faces. And you can kind of see the side where it has the Dior on each side. And I definitely recommend them. They're not too heavy on the face. They won't fall off when you go over. They sit on my head very well. That was a big thing that I wanted because you're in and out of a store. You need to throw them on top of your head. Some of my sunglasses would slide right off. It doesn't slide off. I do have a smaller face, so I couldn't go for something really big and wide. This was sort of like the biggest I could go without looking ridiculous. So if you do have a more petite face, but you're looking for a fashionable, sort of on the bigger end sunglass, this is absolutely one to go for. I tried on a bunch, and this is really the best bet to go. So I hope you enjoy them. If you do, go for them and spoil yourself.